Ahead. So now welcome to my video series where I want to build Slack with this. So I don't talk the functionalities of Slack before now for previous videos. So if you want to know where we start, if you go watch those videos before you watch this one, because I will just continue from where we stop for the last video. Where we stop for the last video, we say we defeat create user. For example, now we don't get any user when we try to get users, and we just create them here and call this one. We could get the user back. Now where we stop. But the problem we did for the last video, I talked for the last video, we say if you kill the server and you load them again, and we come back here and make a wait. Yeah, it don't start. If we come back here now, we don't lose that user. So I've been talking, okay, we'll go talk about how we take save them for database. But I never want to reach that one first. I want to move first, fix some of this TypeScript error, because Nest now very highly TypeScript framework. So now one of the things we make them really good and powerful be that. So I want to save them. First of all, right now we don't get the shape of a user. So we'll go create shape of a user. If you want to create shape of a user, we'll just go to the user folder here, and we just create user.model.ts. Now I will create them as interface where come with TypeScript. We'll call on user. Let's say this user get first name. So get first name, and that one as string. You get last name. The last name now also string. The user get password, and the password now string too. The user too go get ID. So that will go for identify each user. It will be string 2. Alright, we don't create this and we don't export them. So we need them for the the user service to user take type all these things and fix all these errors. So make we import user from this user model. Then here this one users, we just the empty now. We just say the type of user, which is empty. And this one just tell us say empty constructor. So now just put log here, say let's even come with logger. If you call that logger, come, you get logger. And then if you just come here, put logger this, and we call the name of the service. So this one will go fishing for the server log. Call the name of the service. We'll just equate them like this. Call the name of the service, which is type of. Okay, say type. And for here, we'll just say this dot logger dot log user service is up. Yeah, that one go fix the problem there. Expected. Oh, what are you saying? Expect pattern error. Expected. 18. Oh, new. We didn't talk about new logger. Sorry. Yeah, we need to create a new. See, TypeScript they tell us. They look out. All right. So right now we don't log this one. Then so we know that this is going to be type. We call this user array of users. That error is gone, and now for the create we just push to this. We know that okay, this is not following the shape of a user, so we just call, let's pass those parameters in separately. So we get first name, or we get last name, and we get password. Yeah, so now these are the parameters we need, and this is saying that there is no payload. Yeah, so but now we'll create our user here. We say user. We still if you go ahead to type this, come say if you go ahead to type say now user, if you just want the really typed. So here we say this is first name, and then this is last name, this is password, and then may I even command this, more take it easy, so here now we need to generate the user ID, the ID, of each of those users, and again one node package will go help us do that one, the column user ID. So we'll say that save. So when that one come, we'll just import version 1 as user ID from user ID. So now for here, what I just need to do now, ID not be first name, so come here, what I just need to do now to invoke them, and they could pass that. So, and instead of putting payload, we just put this one there. All right, then now this one, now they say it must, within the complaint about here, say the miss return type. All right, so we need to just say the return user, and for here we will actually return the user, so that this error will come out. So we'll return the user when we just create. Then we'll go to the controller. So we did up for the controller, say now payload will be passed now, but right now we could just put title. We'll put title for here, title, okay, last name, we'll call our last name. If we just pass in those field to the body, let's go help us get them out. So first name, which is this, then another body, which is going to be password. Right, so this is password. Alright, so we don't want to get all these things, all these errors first. I can even put this one will come out immediately. So we know important, so more important. So more important from the model. Alright, so here now we need to, within this one they talk, say okay, we need to pass on those parameters, we will pass on for inside the service. So we need to pass on those first name, we need to pass on last name, and we need to pass on password. Alright, so I come out this one, then within the talk again should be type, yeah. So here it will say you need to be string, and here you say you need to be string 2, and here say you need to be string. Then it will say the miss within the return, so return type now user. Alright, everything on, all the errors don't come out correct. So you see the way TypeScript they do. So we'll try to create a new user. You could see say everything work. I know just say start. So we'll go postman. Right now we don't get any user. And for postman here, so we need to add, we need to add first name. Where it could be color fella, then last name, or color kuti. Alright, so within which error they expected, everything they okay. Alright, this one no end. Alright, so first name, last name, we don't even need okay, username. We need to put username for that user object, or put username there for the user model. We'll go to the user model here, just give our username to not string. So my username here, okay. Alright, so username admin. So password this. I think everything done is set. So right now if I say get, they give us empty. Alright, then if I say post, you see that thing don't generate unique ID for them. And if we come here, say this, you see fella stuff don't come out, and TypeScript don't, fix everything with here. Within this one they talk. Which error they here say push. It's missing your username. Yeah, that username we'll put. So we'll fix that one. That username, I will still need to pass that username to around here. I will still need to type to be username. Put comma here. I will need to go to the controller and put that username here first. So which means say we'll get them also from the body. And we'll call this one username. So now I try them again. Don't put username, I create, then I put this one. Return the username. So why? Waiting with the passing a username. The passing the username and username string. I'm gonna check the service with the creator itself. Yeah, with the creator. And for the user class, what we get for the user model? We get username, last name. So, well, why not create them? Why try create them again? Post. Oh, I know put the server, so the change is not there. You see, it's not the dev. The change is not there. So I will just try them now. Then I will pause the video. Then we'll try them again. You see, username don't they come now? And if we put this one there, yeah, username there. All right. So yeah, and still the problem we will talk that time still there, because if you start this, everything go there lost. So we never still passes this. We never join them to the type ORM and connect them to Postgres database. So now what we'll do for the next video will be that. So if you like this video, if you like the video, if you never subscribe for my channel, if you subscribe so that anytime I upload new video, YouTube will give now notification. I hope so now enjoy them. I hear later.